Hello students, in this class we are going to study about the powers of alphabet, and in this we are considering the alphabets are A and B. So sigma power 1 says that set of all the strings of length 1 over the alphabet A, B. So we can say that the length 1 strings over the alphabet A, B are A and B. Similarly, sigma power 2 says that set of all the strings of length 2. So it is nothing but a sigma into sigma, means A, B. We know the alphabets A, B are there, multiplication with A, B. So that is become the strings possible AA, AB, BA and BB. These are the length 2 strings possible over the alphabet A, B. Again, sigma power 3 says that set of all the strings of length 3. So these are the 8 strings available over the alphabet A, B, which is of length 3. And if we will calculate the number of strings, that is become mod of sigma power 3 is equal to the it will give the number of strings, that are the 8 strings are present in this particular alphabet or in this particular sigma power 3. Similarly, sigma power n says that set of all the strings of length n possible over the alphabet A, B. And finally, we can say that sigma power 0 is the set of all the strings of length 0 over the alphabet A, B. So sigma power 0 is nothing but a epsilon. So length of the epsilon will be always 0. Okay. Then sigma power star, or we can call it as a sigma closure. It is the mother of all the languages, or we can say that universal set, because it is the union of all the strings, all the length strings possible over the alphabet A, B. Like sigma power 0 union with sigma power 1 union with sigma power 2 and so on. So this is the mother of all the languages, because this is a infinite in length. Okay, so it is also called as a set of all the strings possible over the alphabet A, B of all lengths, because 0 length is here, 1 length, 2 length, like n length strings will be present in this particular sigma star. So we can call it as a universal set. Okay, suppose consider here this is a sigma star, that is a universal set which contains the languages like L1, L2 and L3. L1 we can say that it is a subset of sigma star. Similarly L2 is also a part of sigma star and L3 भी क्या है, एक उसका part है sigma star का. So we can say that the number of strings possible over the alphabet A, B is always infinite, means it can be infinite. In the same way, we can also say that the languages possible over the sigma star is also infinite, because in this set it will have many languages which are formed over the alphabet A, B. Okay, but we always remember that the alphabets are always finite in number. So in this particular sigma star, the alphabets are A, B only. Okay.